In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Now, to manage alarm settings, click on this gear at the top right corner and use all of those under alarm however you want to. When you finished, go back and use this plus at the bottom in the middle to create your new alarm. Then adjust it however you wish to. Over here, set up an hour. Then choose once, weekdays or custom. If you decided to select custom, pick days of the week manually and save them by hitting save. Then tap on snooze. Turn it on or off thanks to this switcher at the top, and if you decided to enable it, pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Go back, hit alarm tone and pick one of those by clicking on a perfect one for you. Hit apply at the bottom right corner and go back. But you can also choose alarm tone, scroll all the way down and hit all ringtones. Then tap on one of those in alarm tone section and hit OK at the bottom right corner to set it up. Or hit music at the top right corner here, pick any song from your smartphone, click on it and choose OK to save it. Go back, tap on the switcher next to vibrate when ringing to disable or enable haptic feedback, choose label and name it. Then hit OK, and finally to save your new alarm, use the check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick one of those options in the pop-up. To manage it, click on it, make any changes you like, and to discard them, use this arrow at the top left corner. To save them though, tap on the same check mark as before. To get rid of your alarm completely, you can hold it and tap on delete at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!